Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I've got a special treat. We're going to take a little field trip to Sherwood Forest. Not really, but what we are going to do is check out one of our bands that we call the Robin Hood, sitting inside of our custom wood grain box. It comes to you as fast as it possibly can once you order one of our fantastic products. And inside, we have this to start off with, a card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movements, filled with information and compliments to your delight, and then also some instructions on how social media works. So make sure to take a picture of your band, post it, take a picture of whatever you like. Well, not whatever you like, make sure that it's, good. That's all that we require. So anyway, we'd love to see your pictures. That's what I'm saying. Inside, there we have it, the Robin Hood. Very, very nice. This is Damascus steel with a polished finish, and as you can see, it's got that really cool green inner lining. That's that has our Cerakote finish on it. That's that ceramic finish that makes it abrasion and corrosion resistant. And that Damascus steel just is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. If you ever checked out those forging videos on how Damascus steel is made, pretty fantastic. Corey, have you ever forged anything before? No? Just forgery? I can't recommend that, but what I can recommend is taking a look inside and checking out our black silicone ring that also comes with every purchase that you make. And then also inside we have some special promotional offers as those become available, people that we like to partner with that offer great products for you to enjoy. So, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the Robin Hood on manlybands.com.